This video made by Osama Debian. Public IP versus private IP. What is a public IP address? A public IP address is a unique numerical label assigned to every device connected to the Internet. This address is globally recognizable, allowing devices from different networks to find and communicate with each other effectively. Public addresses must be unique to prevent overlap and ensure that data packets sent across the Internet reach the correct destination. They are allocated by Internet Service Providers, ISPs, and are often dynamic, changing periodically for security and IP address conservation. One global identifier enables devices to be recognized and found on the worldwide Internet. 2 ISP assigned, allocated by Internet Service Providers to individual Internet connections. 3 dynamic nature, can change periodically to optimize network security and efficiency. What is a private IP address? Private IP addresses are used within private networks, such as home or office networks, and are not used to directly interface with the Internet. These addresses allow for devices within the same local network to communicate with each other without being exposed to the outside world. Unlike public IP addresses, private IPs are not unique across the entire Internet and can be reused in different networks. This reuse of addresses is made possible because these IPs do not need to be recognized globally, only within their local network. Unique within network, yes. Direct Internet interface, no. Reusability, yes, across different private networks. Example of a public IP address. An example of a public IP address might be something like 93.184.216.34. This sequence of numbers, separated by periods, is an IPv4 format address, which is the most common type of IP address in use. These addresses allow a device to be uniquely identifiable on the broader Internet. 1. IPv4 format. The address is written as 4 sets of numbers, ranging from 0 to 255. 2. Global accessibility. This public IP address can be accessed or pinged from anywhere across the Internet. 3. Example address. The given sequence is representative of a potential public IP address. Example of a private IP address. An example of a private IP address could be 192.168.1.10. This address belongs to one of the ranges set aside for private use and wouldn't be found on the public Internet. Addresses like this facilitate communication between devices like printers, computers, and smartphones within a home network. First octet, 192, often starts with 192 for many home networks. Second octet, 168, commonly the second set of numbers in a private IP. Differences between public and private IP addresses. Public IP characteristics, globally unique and facilitates Internet communication, assigned by ISPs and can change over time, interfaces directly with devices outside the local network. Private IP characteristics, unique only within a local network, not globally, used for internal communications in a private network. Enable security by not exposing devices directly to the Internet. In summary, while public IP addresses are essential for global Internet communications and data exchange, private IP addresses play a critical role in local network management and security. Their differences are foundational to understanding how network communication is structured.